Calbayog City. The Samarensis crow soaring through the lush forests and mountains of Samar captures the essence of our province's rich, wonders, and dynamic spirit. This remarkable bird symbolizes the intelligence, adaptability, and resilience that define us Samarans. Throughout our history, much like the crow, we have navigated centuries of development and transformation with grace and determination. The crow's ability to thrive in diverse environments mirrors our own capacity to adapt and grow. Inspired by the Samarensis, we strive to spark Samar, working together to elevate our province, island, and country. Let's harness the spirit and soar to new heights. Mutyahan Calbayog City! Designer Aldo Loquinario.